Welcome to Daily American English. Learn English with simple, real-life conversations. Practice travel, hotels, food, and shopping with clear and easy dialogues. Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Let's start learning. Passport and ticket. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Where are you traveling to?
I'm traveling to Barcelona.
Great. Do you have your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have your ticket?
Yes, here's my ticket.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, a suitcase.
Do you have hand luggage?
Yes, a small backpack.
Please put the suitcase here.
Okay.
The suitcase is fine. Very good. How many days will you stay in Barcelona?
5 days.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What time is the flight?
The flight is at 10.
Where is the gate?
Gate number 12.
Where is gate 12?
Go straight ahead and then to the right.
Thank you.
Is it your first flight?
Yes, it's my first flight.
Don't worry.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Thank you. Security check. Good morning.
Good morning. Your passport, please.
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Where is he traveling?
I'm traveling to Barcelona.
Traveling alone?
Yes, I travel alone.
How many days will it be?
5 days.
Very good. Is it tourism?
Yes, it is tourism.
Do you have a hotel reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation.
Is this your first trip?
Yes, it's my first trip.
Everything is fine. Now your hand luggage.
Yes, here it is.
Open the backpack, please.
Yes.
Do you have liquids?
Yes, a small bottle.
How many milliliters?
100 milliliters.
Do you have electronic objects?
Yes, a telephone.
Do you have a laptop?
No, I don't have one.
Everything's fine. Thank you. It can happen.
Thank you.
Have a good trip.
On the plane conversation. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you traveling to Barcelona?
Yes.
Very good. Is this your first time?
Yes, it's my first time.
Don't worry, the flight is calm.
Thank you.
You can listen to music.
Yes, good idea.
You can also get some sleep.
Yes, I'm going to try to sleep.
Do you travel alone?
Yes, I travel alone.
For work or for tourism?
For tourism.
Me too. How many days is it?
5 days.
Me too. What a coincidence.
Yes, where do you stay?
In a hotel in the center?
Me too.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, a lot.
Me too. Look, we're taking off.
Yes.
Have a good trip.
Likewise. Lost luggage at arrival. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I have a problem with my suitcase.
What problem do you have?
My suitcase is not there.
Isn't it on the tape?
No, it's not there.
Where does it come from?
I come from Vilna.
Is your flight direct?
Yes, it is a direct flight.
Do you have your luggage tag?
Yes, here it is.
One moment, please. We don't see your suitcase here.
Oh no.
Don't worry. What is your suitcase like?
It's big and black.
Do you have something special?
Yes, it has a red label.
What's in your suitcase?
Clothes and shoes.
What is your address in Barcelona?
My hotel is in the center.
Hotel name?
Hotel Seoul.
How many nights are you in the hotel?
5 nights.
Do you have a phone number?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let's go get your suitcase.
When does the suitcase arrive?
It arrives tomorrow. We'll call you.
Thanks for your help.
You are welcome.
Taking a taxi to the hotel. Hello.
Hello. Where are you going?
To the hotel in the center.
What is the name of the hotel?
Hotel Seoul.
Do you have an address?
Yes, here it is. Is it far?
No, it's close.
How much does it cost?
Approximately 20 euros.
Do you accept card?
Yes, I accept cards.
How long?
15 minutes.
Perfect. Is there traffic?
A bit. We can go slower. Look, your hotel is here.
Thank you. Can you stop here?
Yes, of course. This cost you 20 euros.
Here you are.
Thank you. Welcome. Good day.
Hotel check-in. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the hotel.
Thank you.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation.
In whose name?
In the name of Sophia?
One moment, please. Yes, here is your reservation.
Perfect.
Can you show your passport?
Yes, here it is.
How many nights do you stay?
5 nights?
Do you want a room with 1 bed or 2 beds?
1 bed, please. Does it include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included, and breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Perfect.
Can you sign here, please?
Yes.
Here's your key. Your room number is 205
Where is the room?
on the 2nd floor.
Is there an elevator?
Yes, there is an elevator.
Perfect. Does it have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good stay.
Room problem at the hotel. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I have a problem in my room.
What's the problem?
The air conditioning is not working.
What is your room number?
Room 205.
Is it very hot in the room?
Yes, it's very hot.
Does the air not turn on?
No, it doesn't turn on.
We're going to send a person
Thank you. When is he coming?
in 10 minutes.
Perfect.
Are you in the room now?
Yes, I'm in the room.
The technician is going to look at the air.
Thank you.
If it doesn't work, we change the room.
Very good. Booking a city tour. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I would like information about excursions.
What type of excursion would you like?
I want to see the city.
We have a tour of Barcelona.
Perfect. What places do we visit?
We visit the Sagrada Familia and the center.
How long does the excursion last?
It lasts 3 hours.
All right. How much does it cost?
It's $95.
Okay. Is there a guide?
Yes, there's a guide.
What time does it start?
It starts at 10.
Where is the meeting point?
We can pick you up at your hotel.
Perfect. I'm at the Seoul Hotel.
We pick you up at 9:30.
Perfect. I want to make a reservation.
What's your name, please?
Sophia.
Here is your reservation.
Thank you.
Asking for directions.
Hello.
Sorry?
Yes, tell me. Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course.
I'm a little lost.
No problem.
I'm looking for a famous coffee shop.
What kind of coffee are you looking for?
The Central Café.
Ah, yes, it's very popular.
Yes, I want to go there.
It's a little far, but you can walk there.
Oh, really?
Yes, it's not very far.
Okay, how can I get there?
Look, go straight down this street.
Straight all the time?
Yes, straight for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then turn left, border.
To the left?
Yes, on the left, in the corner.
I understand.
Then go straight again.
Is there something special on the street?
Yes, there is a pharmacy and a bank.
Perfect.
The cafe is next to the bank.
Can you see it from afar?
Yes, it has a big sign.
How much time in total?
About 10 minutes.
Oh, really? Perfect. Thank you.
Is it your first time in Barcelona?
Yes, it's my first time.
You're going to like the coffee.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
At the cafe.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Table for one?
Yes, for one, please.
This way, please.
Thank you.
Do you like this table?
Yes, that's fine.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it's my first time.
Very good. We have typical food.
Perfect.
Do you already know what you want?
No, I don't know.
I recommend the Spanish tortilla.
What is it?
It's made with potato and egg.
Ah, very good.
It's very tasty.
Perfect. I want that.
Great. And what about drinks?
A coffee with milk, please. Little.
Do you want something else?
What else do you recommend?
We also have churros.
Very good. I want churros.
Perfect. Water?
Yes, a bottle of water.
With gas or without gas?
No gas.
Very well. In a moment.
Thank you.
Here's your coffee
Thank you.
and your food.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Everything's fine?
Yes, everything is fine.
Buying souvenirs.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to buy souvenirs
For yourself or as a gift?
for a gift.
Look, we have magnets.
Ah, very nice. How much do they cost?
They cost €2.
Good.
We also have t-shirts.
How much does the t-shirt cost?
It costs €10.
Okay. Do you have another size?
Yes, we have a large and a small one.
I want a big one.
Very good. What else do you want?
I also want a magnet.
How many?
2, please.
Very good. Anything else? Anything else?
Yes, I want something for myself.
You can buy a mug.
How much does the cup cost?
It costs €5.
Perfect, I want it.
Very well, that's €19.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your bag.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Hotel checkout and departure.
Good morning.
Good morning, I want to check out.
Your room number?
Room 205.
Thank you. How are you doing today?
Fine, thanks.
One moment, please.
Yes.
Everything is fine.
Perfect.
Your stay was good?
Yes, very good. I liked the hotel.
Did you like Barcelona?
Yes, she is very pretty.
I'm very happy to hear it. Did you use the minibar?
No, I did not use the minibar.
Do you need an invoice?
Yes, please.
Here is the invoice.
Thank you.
How would you like to pay?
With card.
You can pay here.
Yes, thanks.
Correct payment. Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please.
Where are you going?
To the airport.
The taxi arrives in 5 minutes.
Very good, thanks for everything.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Great job today. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Write a comment and tell me what you learned. Watch more videos to keep improving your English.